red eyes, behold. These old red eyes. Today we out here in Oak Cliff working on a 2018 Mustang. Just had a malfunction of the ignition coil cylinder number 2. Pretty simple procedure. 8mm on the bolt for the top. Some Ford Iridium motor crafts. How the old ones look. So I'm gonna replace this, and I'm gonna get her to order some ignition coils for the future. Top it off that windshield sauce. Good to go. Start it up. Sounds a lot better. Feels a lot better. Back to smooth. Back to smooth. Check the oil. Check the coolant. Good to go.